हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द ब्रॉडकास्ट। स्वागत है आप सभी का। होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेरी गुड, स्वस्थ होंगे। यहाँ पे भी आप साइन देख सकते हैं मिस्टर CHV के। दैट इज़ वाई वी हैव डग आउट द प्रीवियस बैक द IBA। यहाँ पे मिस्टर CHV के दोस्तों आप साइन देख सकते हैं। जनरल सेक्रेटरी द तमिलनाडु बैंक एम्प्लॉय फेडरेशन। अब ये पूरा मैटर क्या है। 26 मार्च 1994 को जो सेटलमेंट साइन हुआ था फॉर द पेंशन स्कीम, जब इंट्रोड्यूस हुई थी इन द बैंकिंग सेक्टर। आफ्टर द Honorable High Court of Calcutta having vacated the restraining interim injunctions, the IBA has advised its member bank through their circular letter dated 17 March 1994 to take the steps for implementing the scheme as envisaged in the settlement dated 29 October 1993. The pension regulations, which has been finalized after discussions between the unions and IBA on different occasions, have been forwarded to all the banks for their adoption in their respective boards, with instructions to constitute a trust for administrating the pension fund. The IBA has already notified through press regarding options to be exercised as under. Those who have retired on or after 1st January 1986 and on or before 31st October 1993 to exercise their option before 31st July 1994, and the employees who were on the roll as on 1st November 1993 to exercise the option before 30th September 1994. The minutes of meeting of small committee on pension held on 26th March 1994 and bank employees pension regulations 1993 are appended herewith. Both these documents are to be taken together for understanding the regulations, Mr. CHP. Friends, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं. These are the minutes of meeting of small committee on pension held on 26 मार्च 1994 की बात है ये. यहाँ पे मिनट्स ऑफ मीटिंग दोस्तों आप देख सकते हैं. The following changes has been made in the scheme subsequent to its circulation to the banks. That is, definition of retirement under 2 of chapter 1 may be substituted as under compulsory retirement as per provision of the service regulations, service rules, settlements. Regulation 10 of chapter 2 on forfeiture of service may be substituted as under resignation or dismissed or termination of employee from the service shall entail forfeiture of his entire service and consequently shall not qualified for pension. Regulation 19(1) of chapter 2 on compassionate allowance may be substituted as under an employee of bank who is dismissed or terminated from service shall forfeit his pension. ये मिनट्स है जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है हमारे लिए. दैट इज़ फार्मूला फॉर अपडेटिंग पेंशन should be on the lines of same given in the Reserve Bank of India scheme. Any changes therein. This is the main that is given here. Any change therein should be introduced only after mutual agreement. इसी को यहाँ पे हमने कंपाइल करना था. मकसद जो वीडियो का था वो कंप्लीट होता हुआ यहाँ पे नज़र आता है. यहाँ पे अदर जो चेंजेस हैं दोस्तों आप देख सकते हैं. इट वाज डिसाइडेड टू डिस्कस द फॉलोइंग पॉइंट फर्दर. वो इतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. विद दिस दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस सेशन. काइंडली शेयर द अपडेट, सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल फ्रेंड्स.